In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove the fbclid parameter from Google Analytics. This is a crucial step, as the fbclid parameter, which Facebook adds to URLs for tracking purposes, can cause unnecessary clutter in your analytics data, making it harder to get accurate insights. So let's streamline your data by removing it. First, open up Google Analytics in your web browser and navigate to the Home section. This is your central dashboard where you can access all your analytics data and reports. Once there, look for the Admin option, which you'll find at the bottom left of your screen. Clicking on Admin will take you to a new set of options designed for managing your Google Analytics account settings. Now that you're in the Admin section, locate and click on Data Streams. Data streams in Google Analytics are where your data from various platforms like websites and apps is collected and processed. Once you click on it, you'll see a list of data streams associated with your account. It's important to select the correct data stream that corresponds to the site or app from which you want to remove the fbclid parameter. After selecting your data stream, you'll be presented with a series of options. Here, look for and click on Redact Data. This setting allows you to manage specific data privacy and filtering preferences for your analytics data. It's an essential tool for maintaining clean and relevant data in your reports. Once you're in the Redact Data section, you need to find the URL Query Parameters option. This is the area where you can specify which URL parameters you want Google Analytics to ignore. By filtering out certain parameters, you ensure that your data is not skewed by unnecessary or irrelevant information. In the URL Query Parameters field, type the term fbclid. Adding this here instructs Google Analytics to exclude this parameter from your data collection, keeping your reports free of clutter and more focused on the metrics that matter to you. And that's it. By following these steps, you've successfully removed the fbclid parameter from your Google Analytics data streams. This action will help you maintain cleaner, more accurate analytics data, allowing you to make better informed decisions based on your reports. Remember, keeping your analytics data clean is an ongoing process, so regularly review and update your settings as needed to adapt to any changes in how data is being collected or processed. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check out more of our videos for additional tips and tricks on mastering Google Analytics.